My friend, if we take the steps of a whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, we get a minor. Let's try that with C. C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. When we alter that to give it just the natural 6th and the natural 7th, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B, C, we get melodic minor. Now the concept behind this is when we play those same notes and we start at different intervals, we then still get modes. When we continue on these modes, we will notice that one of these modes, this one, the fourth one, that would start with the fourth note, C, D, E flat, F, will have F, G, A, B. Now that movement is 3 whole steps in a row. That is a Lydian mode. So our mode today that is derived by just playing that same interval mass gives us a flat 7. So in the key of C, we would have C to D, E, F sharp, there's our Lydian, G, A, B flat, and then C. Quick backstory. Why are we going to use this mode? If we're playing over the top of, like, let's say a C minor, has this kind of like, this one's a C minor 7, so it has that dominant 7. Now, if I had on my whole C minor, I would have that note, which is a C, it's fine. But when we drop that down a half step, we get our 7th. That 7th note is a B. Now that B in relativity to the C is definitely a major 7. And it gives us this kind of happy, joyous feeling. No matter where you play it, no matter what inversion, what shape you do, it gives you that feeling of tonality. You play that over a major 7. Now, Lydian works fine over that, it's a major mode, but this one has a major 3rd, raised 4th, and then a flat 7. The flat 7 is the minor 7th, not the major 7th. So the C would go down to the B, and then it would go down to the, you guessed it, B flat or A sharp. And harmonically, same, but I would call it a B flat. So if we have a C with that B flat in there, that makes that C dominant. So if we have a that really cool kind of sound over that C major dominant chord would work. There's our Lydian, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A. Here's our B flat. Reason why it correlates with the 7 chord. So when do you use this particular type of mode? Lydian dominant or Lydian flat 7, you would use it over a dominant chord. So if we're doing like a if we were playing like an A to an E groove using both A major, E major, and then we go to an A7, at that A7, A, B, C sharp, feel how that one note could be a little interesting? There's our note that makes it a 7th. Interesting. I hope you can take these words and vocabulary, put them into your tool bag, and start using this modus today. If you like the way I teach, as I said, thumbs on up. Please subscribe and add to the music community by asking a question, appearing on Mondays for the live sessions. Aloha.